Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss and welcome again to Hot Products in a Hot Minute. I'm the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric. We have with us here today, Hannah Widopil. She is with Weidmüller and she's going to talk to us about the snap-in terminal blocks that they offer. Hannah, why don't you get started?
Yeah, thanks, Joanne. So like Joanne said, my name is Hannah Widopil. I'm the product manager with Terminal Blocks here at Weidmüller, and I'm very excited to show you our newest technology out on the market for terminal blocks. It's called snap-in. And what that is a mousetrap mechanism inside of the terminal block that allows you to wire up a terminal block without any tools required. So even just a stranded wire with just minimal wire prep, so just cut and stripped wire, you can connect into that terminal block without the use of any tool. This is a technology that Weidmüller has invented. This is the product portfolio. As mentioned, we got the 2.5 cross sections and the 4 cross sections right now in a single tier layout, but also double tier layout. Some of these can be even connected internally, so you have a mini distribution block with cross connection channels in the middle, so you can easily distribute your potentials. And then we've got several color versions available right now in ground blocks. But before I talk more, I just want to show you how this works. So you have your stranded wire. As you can see here, hopefully there's no ferrule attached to it or crimped onto it. So hopefully you can see this. I'm going to feed this into this connection point right here and click. Now the wire is terminated without any wire prepping other than stripping, without the use of a tool. It can't get any faster. And what I also like about it is when you turn this around, that the pusher, the green pusher on here, it raised up. So when that wire was terminated, the pusher jumped up. The other advantage of snap-in technology is also, as you can see with the shape of these terminal blocks, there are smooth edges. This was made to make it robot ready. So a gripper can take this part and place it on a DIN rail. But the other part that goes into this robot ready kind of state of this design is the low insertion force that is needed to terminate a wire. So this is important so that you can now also even terminate a wire with a robot arm. That is not possible with any other technology on the market currently. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions in the future about this product, please feel free to reach out to your local rep at Standard Electric.
Thanks, Hannah. That was very informative, very excited about that robotic capability. So as always, like Hannah said, if you want to know more, talk to your account manager. You can talk to me. And of course, always like, subscribe, and follow. Until next time, thank you for watching Hot Products in a Hot Minute with Standard Electric.